Would you like to learn a strategy with a 99% accuracy? Or shall I give you a trading call that is going to give you a 99% accuracy? I'm pretty sure that at least once in your life you would have received such messages on your WhatsApp, maybe on your email or even your text messages. We often get calls and messages from call service providers saying that they will actually give us a call with this much percentage, mostly 99%, 95, 90% accuracy, etc. There could be even messages saying sure short profits and guaranteed returns, etc. etc. Now let me just tell you, in the stock markets nothing is guaranteed, and it is not about the accuracy but how much you are risking and how much reward you are making. That is what is going to help you in the long run. So let's understand this concept a bit more better. So I want to introduce to you the concept of risk reward ratios as well as the concept of probability of profit. Often we see that options non-directional strategies, they come with a higher accuracy or a higher probability of success. Now our personal hit rate when it kind of comes to non-directional systems is around 70%, 70-75%. Now you probably would be thinking, okay, 75% means if you do 10 trades, 7 out of 10 we will be winning. Then what is the problem in that? The answer is, when we are winning 7 out of 10 trades in non-directional, the risk that we usually take is actually a bit higher than the potential reward. Many times we see call services actually giving you calls where they look out for 1 rupee target, but if the trade goes against you, you lose 10 rupees or even 5 rupees. So now what happens? So even if the strategy has a bigger accuracy or a higher accuracy, effectively if one losing trade you have, you'll be wiping out whatever you have gained in the previous winning trades. We often hear from individuals saying that, okay, 4 days they were continuously making profits and on one particular trading day they have wiped out all the profits that they were made in the previous 4 days. Now why does this happen? Just think for yourself. It is because of the fact that when they win, usually when you're taking somebody else's calls or you are kind of actually following some other advice, you kind of think about settling for a smaller profit. Whereas when it kind of comes to a loss, your mind would be actually asking you to hold on to the trade because you feel that the price is again going to go in your favor and you can close the trade on a positive note. So just realize for yourself, it is not just accuracy that matters, but how much you are making on average in every single winning trade. So even if you have a strategy with a higher accuracy, but effectively if you are losing out whatever you have gained in the previous winning trades just because 1 or 2 significant losses, then realize that you are still not on the right track. So it is not just the accuracy that matters, but it is a risk reward ratio plus the hit rate or the accuracy combined together that one should eventually be looking out for while checking out for a trading system.